The Friends of Arapahoe Libraries is a fundraising and volunteer group that coordinates 5 unique library bookstores, hosts 4 used book sales each year, and sells books on Amazon. All of the books and materials found in our bookstores are donated by members of the community. The Friends volunteers sort and price all of the donated books. There's a wide variety of genres, along with a selection of CDs and DVDs. Funds raised by the Friends is used to support Arapahoe Library's events and programs, such as summer reading, early literacy initiatives, and other projects that benefit the library community. Want to get involved? By becoming a member of the Friends of Arapahoe Libraries, you'll receive special invitations to events as well as early access to book sales. Visit our website or ask a staff member for more information.